Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class I will be explaining how to find dual of Boolean identities. To find the dual of Boolean identities, there are three rules or points to be followed to convert a Boolean identity to a dual of its identity. So, how to do the duality? So, first point is replace dot with plus sign, replace and with or. Second point, replace plus with dot. Third point is complement ones and zeros. That is, if you are having 1, change it to 0, and if you are having 0, change it to 1. So, you have to follow these three rules to find the dual of the given Boolean identity. The first problem is a plus b dot b plus c dot c plus d. This is a Boolean identity given to you. You have to find the dual of this given identity. So, what you have to do? You have to replace this plus sign with the dot and dot with the plus sign. So, a dot b plus b dot c. This dot is changed to plus c dot d. This plus is changed to dot. So, you have to replace plus with dot and dot with plus and written the equation, that is AB plus BC plus CD. Coming to the third equation, in the second question, it is given as A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot D. This is a given Boolean identity. Find its dual. So, change dot to plus sign. So, A plus B dot B plus C dot C plus D. So, this is a dual of the given Boolean identity. Coming to the third problem, it is given as 1 dot A plus C, A plus B plus C. Find the dual. So, replace 1 with 0, dot with plus sign, and then between A dot B dot C, replace plus with the dot sign. So, you are left with 0 plus ABC, which is coming to as ABC. Okay. So, you could find the dual of this given identity. So, replace 1 with 0 and dot with plus with dot. Next question, fourth question. A plus A bar is equal to 1. Find the dual of it. Replace plus with dot. A dot A bar is equal to, replace 1 with 0. So, this is a dual of A plus A bar. A plus A bar is equal to 1. Its dual is A dot A bar is equal to 0. Okay, coming to the fifth question. A plus 1 is equal to 1. What will be its dual? A, replace plus with dot, 1 with 0, 1 with 0. So, what is the answer? A dot 0 is equal to 0. So, the dual of this one is A dot 0 is equal to 0. Sixth question, A dot A is equal to A. So, what you have to find its dual? Here you have to replace this dot with plus sign. A plus A is equal to A. Replace dot with the plus sign. Next, coming to the seventh question. A dot A plus B is equal to A. So, its dual will be, replace dot with plus sign. A plus A dot B is equal to A. So, what you got? A plus AB is equal to A. So this is a dual of this given Boolean identity. 8th question. A plus B dot C is equal to zeros. So what will be its dual? A dot B plus C is equal to 1. So replacing dot with plus sign and plus with dot and replace 0 by 1. So to find the dual, you have to remember these 3 points. Replace dot with plus, replace dot with plus, replace plus with dot, and third point is complement ones and zeros. So in this way you can find the dual of the given Boolean identities. Suppose if you are finding what will be the dual of A dot 0 is equal to 0. So A plus 1 is equal to 1. This is a dual. 10th question. Find the dual of A dot A bar is equal to 0. So replace dot with plus sign. A plus A bar is equal to, replace 0 with 1. This is how we can find the dual. I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Thank you students. Good luck.